Boost your brand with SMM Matrix. Our expert team delivers top-tier social media marketing results. Drive more engagement and growth easily. Partner with us to scale your business. Start today.
SMM Matrix is a complete platform designed to launch, manage, and scale your social media marketing business from one powerful dashboard.
Connect multiple providers, synchronize services instantly, and automate order fulfillment through powerful API integrations. Manage thousands of orders effortlessly with an intelligent order management system built for speed and accuracy. This is the Manage Service dashboard. Here you can view and edit services. Let's look at how to add a new service. Enter the minimum and maximum amounts here. Finally, set the rate.
Welcome to the future of seamless digital payments. Manage your global transactions effortlessly. We support a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Experience fast and reliable financial tracking.
Give your customers a modern dashboard with real-time statistics, secure account management, and a seamless user experience.
Welcome to the SMM Matrix Dashboard Overview. Here, you can easily track your daily deposits and transactions, monitor total users, pending tickets, and manage settings. Stay updated with
Packed with enterprise-grade features, SMM Matrix gives you everything you need to build, automate, and grow your SMM business.
Start smarter, grow faster, succeed with SMM Matrix.